Hi, this is Alok here. I got introduced to Healing Heavens by one of my friend Harpreet Vora. So he just told me about what Healing Heavens is about, and he gave me certain ideas about it. And after hearing that, being into the spiritual path, I was able to connect to what he was saying. So then we just came here and met Madam Mumtaz, and we spoke about it. So it was really a good experience in understanding what exactly happens, her experiences. That was really overwhelming, and I was able to connect with. So went through a 2-day course, beautiful experiences, various different steps, things to be shared, experienced. It is something which I could say it is beyond physicality. It is something which is beyond your 5 senses. It is something which is beyond your regular experiences. It is something which is unseen. Many a times what happens is we actually get so much involved in our physicality, our physical life, our day-to-day life, and we start getting away from our inner self. We start getting away from the inner forces. We start getting away from the real I that we are. So basically here, when in Healing Heavens, when you come and when you do these courses, so what happens is basically you start getting away from the materialistic world and slowly start getting attached to the real I. So it is the reverse process. Normally what happens is you get away from your real self and get so much attached to your materialistic self, life. And here what happens is you start getting away from your materialistic world and you start getting attached to your real life. So it's basically nothing but a realization of what you are. So that's what I experienced. For people who are already there into the spirituality, for them this would be an added push to their spiritual journey. And the ones who are trying or wanting to explore what the spirituality is, then this would be the best step to take. So that's how it is. And I would like to thank all of them who became a medium for this journey of mine, and for all the experiences that I got. And especially from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank Madam Mumtaz. Thanks a lot.